Okay, so for audio notes 0.5.2, so let's say you're trying to save a project here, and you're initially working out of your browser, right? And then you go here to project, and then you try to save, and it gives you two options, right? Save as copy as snippet, save a copy to downloads, and it won't let you download directly unless you download the desktop application. Okay. So let's say you download the desktop application, right? And then you're trying to export your project to the application. So you go to the application, and then your project is in this inside the app. So right, so you have your file here. Right, so let's go to where I downloaded my file. So the file is in the let's see if I can find it. So my file, let's say my file is probably downloads. So let's go, just go find it. Where is it? Let's open audio notes, right? No, that's the project. Okay. Finder. Alright, so it's this one, right? So it's audio notes .notes file, right? So you download that file as a project file here, but then you go to your application and you get something like this, where the once you import your file, it tells you that it cannot load it. And if you look into properties here, right, we go into properties, we see here, right, that it gives you a specification, and it's saved under a temporary file. So what it's doing there is that it's temp, semicolon / like it's like, for some reason it's like trying to save it into a temporary file or into the creates like this folder while you're working on the browser, right? And then it's trying to find that file in that same folder, but it cannot find that audio file, right? So therefore it cannot load your audio there, because it's trying to find it under that temp folder. And then if we click here, I try to go to like wobble file, it goes to a different folder, right? That file is not located under that folder. Okay, so the solution there is to do this. So you want to go to your the wobble there, and then you have to change pretty much you have to redefine the directory path, because it doesn't know where your file is at. So you have to go into properties, and then you have to go, you can just click that, and then you gotta go and you gotta find that file, and then in my case it's gonna be inside here. And then let's see, right here, so right there, this is a kit, by the way, an audio kit from SoundCloud, and then you go here, I think it should be over here. This is 02. Let me see. Try to hurry up here. Let me just percussion, or was that a wobble? I'll find it faster like that. There we go. So this is under O2. So it's so I get that directory and I just opened it under that, and that changes its directory, right? And then it's gonna ask me if I have 8 clips in my timeline. And it's gonna ask me if I want to save them or not, right? I don't want to discard them. I think if you choose to discard them, or like get rid of all of your existing like clips in the timeline under that directory, and then it'll replace it with a single clip. So then you're going to I'm going to keep my clips because I don't want to get rid of them. They're over here, you see. So with this, then where is it? It's like this one. So you see, so it keeps all of them. No, it might be this one. Root pass, and then it goes on. It's kind of a bit crowded here. Yeah, well, anyway, it's there. You can see this is the patcher, and then the wobble. And oh, it's probably because it's not connected. It's connected, but I just couldn't find it. It's there though. But anyways, that's how you fix that. This application is pretty new, so they're still working on some stuff. But yeah, it's just for some reason just creating that under that temp folder when you try to load a file that's created in the browser, and you're trying to save to a desktop, to like save it as an MP3 or any other uploadable format. So that's the thing. You just change the directory like that. Yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd share that.